Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to About Phone. And here scroll down again to the build number. And here you have to start tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer. If you've got your PIN, then let's enter it to confirm. And now, as you can see, we are a developer. So let's get back to all the settings and find the system. Click here, click on Advanced, and here we've got our developer options. So let's select that, and here you've got a lot of advanced options that you can customize. For example, you can do a background check, or simply show your tabs. It will show visual feedback for tabs. If you want to turn off the developer options, nothing easier, simply click on this switcher. Now it is off, and if you will get back, it disappears. If you want to turn them on again, simply get back to this build number step. So that's all. This is how you enable developer mode in your Motorola Edge. And thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.